Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is structured note. Now, these are incredibly complicated financial instruments used by institutions, public and private companies, an important part of the economy again, because they offer so much financial flexibility. Let's talk about an example of a structured note. Let's say you're a company that wants to borrow money, and you borrow money from, say, an institution, a financial institution, but you want to link that to an equity-linked return for them. To not get too complicated, you borrow $100 million and you use a portion of those proceeds to buy call options on the S&P 500. They may choose to convert into the S&P 500 index and convert out and sell that call option to pay off your debt. That's a way of structuring something that's linked to an equity market. Those are complicated. I know that sounds a little unusual, but imagine that you're a company like a farmer. A very simple example is you're a farmer and you borrow against your farm, but you also put the corn crop up as collateral, and the corn prices go crazy, and you allow that person who owns that note to convert into those corn prices, and your note's paid off because they sell out that corn at a higher price. Today's word is structured notes, and I could not give you enough examples of how complicated these can be. But effectively, the notes, you borrow money and they're linked to some sort of index, commodity, interest rate, or something other than the place that they lent that money to. Today's word is structured note.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.